The Thermaltake Tough Power GX1 700w power supply. Is it any good? Hells yeah. In all fairness, what isn't there to like about this power supply unit? It's small, very powerful, 80 plus gold certified, silent, small in size and looks very smart. Designed and built to deliver 80 plus gold efficiency, the Tough Power GX1 comes with capacities ranging from 500 watts to 700 watts, near silent operation, trouble-free installation and reliable performance, making itself one of the best values for basic system upgrades. What I admire about this power supply unit is its sleek, sophisticated design, which is the signature look of the Tough Power series that makes it stand out from the crowd, and I personally really do dig it. Being 700 watts, this power supply sure spits out some juice, meaning you can pair it with some beefy hardware if you'd like to, but yeah, there's always a but. You may want to buy some custom cable extensions, as that ketchup and mustard monster has been added again, which is the only downfall with this near flawless power supply. Supporting the 24-pin power connection for your motherboard, an ATX connection to power your CPU, which is the 4+4-pin connector, 8 SATA, 4 6+2-pin VGA connectors, 4 Molex and 1 floppy disk connection gives you a lot of room to play with. So priced at around £70 for the 500 watt variant, around £80 for the 600 watt and around £90 for this 700 watt version doesn't make it the cheapest available, but with its 5-year warranty sure does make it very good value for money. I would also like to point out that if you do opt to use this power supply without custom cable extensions, the sleeving is far away enough from the connections to make it nice and easy to bend any wires you need into place, making the installation a lot easier, so happy days. Well, if you would like to buy this product in any of the different variants mentioned in this video, the links will be in the description below. So thank you very much for your time today. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.